The Linked Maps tool is very useful for viewing aerial imagery in specific locations. To open the Linked Maps tool, double-click the blue header to open the toolbar, then you'll click on the Map tab, and you'll click the Linked Maps button. Your map will split into two. The original map will be up top, and the aerial image will be on the bottom. Now you can see a purple cursor has appeared on our map, and that's showing exactly where this image is. If we want to look around a little more, we can drag the cursor and drop, and the map will adjust to the new location. If you want to look at older aerials, you can click Select Date and choose from a drop-down. So now I'm looking at images from 2011. You can click through these arrows to view the multiple images that were taken during this range. And if you don't like how small this is, you can also pop the map out and the aerial imagery will open in a new window and the map will go back to its original size. You can use the PDF button to export this aerial image to a PDF. You can zoom in and out of the aerial imagery to get a better look of the area. And you can use these controls to change the direction that you're viewing. If you pan around the map and you lose your purple indicator, you can press this button and it will bring the pointer to your new location. If you're done looking at the linked maps and you want to close out, just click the X and you'll go back to your original map.